Hello friends, it's your internet assistant, Mr. Whoer. Today, we're talking about our mobile phones, specifically about cache, what it is, why it exists, and why you should clean it regularly. So, cache data is made up of temporary files that your device saves to make apps and services load faster in the future. For instance, your browser or messenger stores things like logos, images, videos, fonts, and scripts. When you reopen an app, it doesn't have to reload everything from the internet. It uses cache data instead. This helps apps run faster and saves your mobile data. Sounds great, right? But there's a downside. Over time, this cache data can pile up, and a lot of it becomes outdated or unnecessary. This can take up valuable storage space on your device. Worse, old or corrupted cache files can cause apps to crash, freeze, or slow down. A large cache can also pose a risk to your online security, especially in messengers and browsers. If your phone is hacked or your data leaks, the cache could reveal a lot about your online activity. That's why cleaning your cache regularly is a good habit. Let's look at how to do it. The first method is to use special tools that monitor your cache and guide you through cleaning. For Android users, there are plenty of apps on Google Play to choose from. A great and trusted option is Google's own app files. After installing it, look for the Clean section. It may open automatically. This will show you unnecessary files, including temporary app data. Simply hit Free Up Space to clean it up. Don't worry, this won't delete your saved passwords or login details. If you're on iOS, you can use an app-like cleaner from the App Store. The process is simple. Press Start Scanning, review the results, and remove what's unnecessary. The second method is manual cache cleaning. This can come in handy if an app suddenly starts acting up, freezing, crashing, or refusing to open. These issues often mean the cache is overloaded and needs to be cleared. On Android, manually cleaning the cache is easy. Just press and hold the app icon, then select App Info. Alternatively, go to Settings. Find Apps, choose the app, and click Clear Cache in the app settings. On an iPhone, go to Settings, General iPhone Storage, select the app, and press Offload App. After doing this, you'll need to re-download the app to use it again. Don't worry, your personal data and app settings will stay the same. The app will run like new. For iOS, there's also a simpler way to clean the cache, but it only works for apps downloaded from the App Store. Plus, the app needs to have a built-in cache clearing option. For example, in Telegram, open Settings, go to Data and Storage, and select Clear Cache. Now your apps will run faster and smoother. That's all for today. Don't forget to like this video, check your subscription, and share it with your friends. This has been Mr. Whoer, wishing you a safe and smooth online experience.